Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Danielle and today is going to be a full day of eating on the Weight Watchers Freestyle program.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started.
You just see me make my tea. That is the first thing I do. I have my TEAMI skinny tea before I have anything. So what you see me do is just what I do every morning, and I go ahead and I sip on this for a couple hours, and then I'll have breakfast. Usually right now it's around 6 a.m. So I'll usually have my breakfast maybe around 9 is usually what I like. I like to do that before I get anything in my belly because it kickstarts your metabolism and it really wakes everything up, and I want that. I don't want nothing to slow it down. I really want my metabolism to be working at the highest function that it can, especially at 34 years old. So it's going to be such an awesome video because it is a collaboration with the Coopers family. I am super excited to be working with her. I absolutely love her. I've been following her for years, and she's a mama. She got 2 little baby girls. She's a girl mom like myself. And guys, she is like ultimate goals for Weight Watchers or anybody on like a weight loss journey, because she recently hit goal and lost, I think she said 41 pounds. She looks phenomenal. So way to go, girlfriend, because you are my motivation. So if you guys are not following her, go on over and follow her and tell her I sent you. And if you guys are from her channel, hi, my name's Danielle, and we do a little bit of everything around here. I am on the Weight Watchers Freestyle program. I previously was on the keto way of eating, and then I went ahead and transitioned over. And I do cooking, cleaning, lifestyle. I mean, it's just everything around here, and we have a good time. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna sip on my tea, and I will see you at breakfast time. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some breakfast. We are out of eggs and pretty much everything at this point, so I have to go to the grocery store. But I am going to have myself some oatmeal. It's just the Aldi brand of, like, what are they called, rolled oats. I'm gonna do 40 grams of these, a little bit of this ground cinnamon in there. And then I am going to do a packet of stevia. I'm going to do a little bit of the powdered peanut butter. So it's 28 for 2 tablespoons. Just to make it a little bit thicker. That's kind of a lot. We'll only do 12. So we'll do 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to mix it so it's not like lumpy. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Alright, so while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut up an apple. This is just like a small Red Delicious apple.
Looking up.
So this is about 2 minutes in. I'm going to show you what I do next. I'm just going to mix everything back together. I take my apple and I put it in there. Well, not all of it, just a majority of it. And I'm gonna put this back in the microwave for about a minute. These particular brands of rolled oats are 4 points for the 40 grams, which is a half a cup. The fruit inside there will be 0, and the 1 tablespoon of powdered peanut butter will be 1 point. So the whole breakfast will be 5 points. Well, then I'm going to take the rest of my apple and just sprinkle it on there. And then here's my banana. Alright, so it's around 10 a.m. and I want to work out, but I don't want to take a pre-workout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have me an iced coffee. I'm using this stock cold brew coffee brand. I found this at Aldi and it's really good. There's not a lot in it. So what I have is just a mason jar with a little bit of ice. And instead of like cream and all that stuff, I'm going to use a Premier protein shake, and this is my favorite flavor. It is the caramel, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna make it. I do shake up my protein. Guys, Premier Protein is legit my favorite brand of protein. It's the only one that doesn't taste gross to me. And how people ask me, oh, how do you do it? I just kind of just pour the whole thing in there, or as much as I can fit in the cup without it overflowing. So for this whole container is 2 points. And yeah, that's it. And it is delicious. It tastes just like a coffee from a coffee shop. Alright, so I'm going to do this and then I'm going to go work out. Alright guys, so we're going to get ready for some lunch. Me and Rhea are going to have these portobello mushroom caps. There's 2 packs of them, so there's 5 here, so there's 9 of them. I am going to cut them up and put them in. I think I might do my wok and maybe a little bit of olive oil and season them with some garlic and Montreal steak seasoning and top them with a little bit of fat-free mozzarella. So with any type of mushroom, you really want to clean them because you'll see they are covered in dirt because, you know, mushrooms grow on the ground. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these cleaned up and dice them up, and I'll show you how I put them in the pan. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this wok. I bought this wok at IKEA years ago, and I'm going to put some like olive oil spray on the pan. Just give it a nice coating. And then put it on medium heat, and I'm gonna let this warm up for a second. I cut these up like this. I don't know, what is this called, like lengthwise? Sure. There's a lot, so even if me and Rhea didn't finish all of these, Leo would love this when he got home from work. So basically I'm just gonna leave this on like medium to high heat for about, I don't know, I would say 5 to 10 minutes. I'll just clean up my mess. I would leave this on medium high heat because when it looks like a lot right now, but when mushrooms cook down, because they have so much water in them, they really cook down to nothing. So that's another reason why I cooked so many, because they really do shrink. So like I said, I'm going to leave this, I'm going to cook these down for about, I don't know, 8 to 10 minutes or so. And then once I see them starting to get real tender, that is when I'm going to add the seasoning. I'm going to use the steak seasoning. We just got this at the local produce market. You can use the Montreal steak seasoning, same thing. And I'm going to use some garlic because my favorites. Yeah, there we go. Okay guys, you can see that, look at all the water that's in there. So like I said, and it doesn't look nearly as whole. You could drain the water if you really wanted to. I don't. But right now I'm going to season it. So like I said, some Montreal steak seasoning. I'm just going to give it a nice coating. I've used these portobello mushrooms in replace of a hamburger bun before. I've grilled them and they taste so good. I mean, I know a lot of people who say these taste just like meat to them. I'm a meat eater, so I don't think that, but they're good and they're pretty filling. Just gonna put a little bit more. I like cooking stuff in this wok just because it's pretty big and deep. And I don't know, it's a wok and it's cool. And then some garlic. A nice coating on there. And this is like a super quick meal as well. And P.S. this is 0 points. So this is our lunch. This is this is the portobello mushrooms topped with 28 grams of Kraft fat-free mozzarella cheese. This is 0 points. And then I have a few hard-boiled eggs that are also 0 points. I'm not going to eat all those eggs. I'll share them with Rhea and the girls. But yeah, so this whole lunch is 0 points and it's the bomb. Alright, so this is going to be my like afternoon snack. So right here I have a Cara orange. If you guys have not tried these, guys, they are amazing. And I have some grapes, some purple seedless grapes. And then I just go ahead and I reuse the leaves that I put in my TEAMI cup from this morning. And I do this about 3 times a day, so this is my second cup. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like. And I'm gonna sit on the couch and watch some reality TV. Alright guys, so last night before I went to bed, I took these chicken breasts and I marinated them in this Grill Master seasoning. This is the chipotle pepper marinade. So it tells you on the back how to make it. So what I did though was I just omitted the 4th cup of vegetable oil because that's a lot of vegetable oil. And I just did water and a couple tablespoons of white vinegar. And I just left it as that, and I just let it soak overnight. So that's what it looked like. And I'm going to take them, I'm going to put them on this baking sheet. I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. Actually, I like 375. Let's preheat it to 375, and I'm going to probably cook. So I'm going to go ahead and cook these for about 45 minutes until the internal temperature reaches about 165 degrees. But guys, this marinade is bomb. Like if you can see here, you could actually see, oh Jesus, you could see the marinade on it. So it's like super flavorful.
I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment.
What it's looking like, I mean, can you just see all the delicious seasoning on there? I'm super impressed with these. I get them at Walmart and I get them there for $1. If you go to like any of these little local markets, like your local grocer, they're like $3. So next time I go, I'm gonna buy a bunch more. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wait for my oven to preheat, and then I'm gonna toss these in and we'll figure out what else is for dinner. These are the purple little tiny potatoes. We buy these at our local grocer as well. They are super flavorful, very, very buttery. They have way less carbs in them than like a regular potato. So I like to have these for me and Leo. So I might heat some of those up and have those on the side as well. Alright guys, so here is dinner. This is the, these are pickled carrots. They come in a can. They're from the brand San Marcos. So for a 1/4 cup of those is 1 point. Those are the purple potatoes I told you about. I just had those left over from yesterday and I wanted to finish those. So it's 1.5 servings or 165 grams for 6 points. This is 2 ounces of avocado for 3 points. That is our chicken breast for 0. This is just a green onion that Leo made yesterday with dinner, and I'm going to eat that. And that is a full lavish bread for 2 points. So I have, for the end of the night, a grand total of, I don't know if you guys can see, 4 points left. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna eat this dinner and I will check in with you guys later. So I'm gonna finish up my night. I am gonna have these little 4-packs of these peanut butter cookies from Aldi. They are 4 points and I'm one of them. So I'm gonna have those and I'm going to drink another glass of my TEAMI skinny tea with it. It's kind of like, doesn't make sense to drink skinny tea with peanut butter crackers, but it's in my points. And then I'll finish that up, and then tonight before bed, it is TEAMI Cola night. Guys, I absolutely love this. I do this tea Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And it works, but not to the point, it works good, but not too good to where you can't leave your house the next day. Get what I'm saying? It just detoxifies. So that is it. So going back to my app here, I like to kind of show you guys like how my food ends up at the end of the night. So I'm allotted 23 points per day, and if you guys can see, I used 23 points. So I know my dinner was kind of a heavier dinner, but remember, most of my stuff I ate throughout the day was 0. So that's why I kind of did a little bit heavier with the potatoes and a little bit heavier with the avocado. And I did work out today. I worked out. I have a spin bike, so I did spinning for 35 minutes, and then I did about 15 minutes of resistance training for lower body on Mondays. So it was a really good workout, and I feel, whew, I gotta chill, and I feel really good. And yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy my little crackers and my tea, and then like I said, tonight, TEAMI tea. If you guys are on the fence with TEAMI tea, like I said, I highly suggest it. I love it. All I have is that 1 cup of coffee now throughout the day, and I don't really miss anymore. I just really enjoy the warm tea. It just kind of fills me up and, you know, keeps me going. So if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code. I will put it on the screen for you, and you can check them out if you feel like it. If you don't want to, then you don't have to. But thank you guys for hanging out with me. Be sure to go over and check out Hailey's channel. Thank you, Hailey, for collabing with me. I'm a huge, huge fangirl of yours, and I think you're wonderful, and your girls are beautiful, and yeah, so a huge fan. Thank you so much. And if you guys are from Hailey's channel, again, hello, I'm Danielle, and I would love if you guys would stick around. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna have my little snack, and I'm gonna hope that these kids go to bed soon. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next video.